Hi traders, Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter. Starting off with some weekly looks, a little bit more macro today, especially in light of Brexit votes that are every day there's another story, another tape bomb. A lot of people have been very constructive the pound. It's still that way more than euro. And one way they've been playing it is by being short euro pound, meaning that the euro would be weaker than the pound. It looked like we had a weekly breakdown on this candle under 84 and a half. Just want to point out with yesterday's action that we have the beginnings of a weekly reversal to negate the breakout, and very possible that if things don't work out as planned, that the euro could begin to outperform the pound. Not so much about euro strength, but more about potential cable weakness. Still can make a case that if they kick the can down the road for another referendum, the potential for 134, 135 is there, but this is a warning sign that this trade is being played out. Normally, when a market gives you too much time to trade a breakout and then it's trading right up against a failure, there is a chance of a failure. I know it sounds redundant, but that's what it is. Also, I wanted to bring you a little bit more of a macro look in silver. And last week we did hold a very key level. I've been talking about gold being a stronger performer than gold. Actually, again today, you have silver up better than 0.5%, gold up a third of a percent. So that continues on. It's my view that we could head up towards the $17 level longer term. Critical for us to be holding the support that we held last week around 14.95 or so. So about 40 cents. We've advanced on that. And again, a strong equity market again, which would be lifting things like oil and copper. Just wanted to show you a weekly view, how you can make a case for copper also being a rally to sell. We had this big break from 330 down to about, let's call it 260, a 70-cent break. And between here and $3, you could tell that was a pretty important breakdown. And even if it's a correction in a bull market, 60-cent move from $3 could take us down to 240, 230. So looking for the potential, maybe it's going to be a hiccup in trade negotiations. But copper is the metal with a PhD in economics. They say all bull markets are roofed in copper. Copper, they call Dr. Copper. So I think Dr. Copper has the potential of peaking up here and then taking out these lows about 255, trading underneath them before we get a reassertion of the bull market in industrial metals. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. See you tomorrow. Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter on Twitter. Good hunting.